with Odurole Mojibola. Today we're going to be discussing sole, majorly outer sole. Sit back and I'm going to be right back. Yes, like I said, we are going to be discussing sole. Now, I want you to know that we have already made sole, which are the ones that you buy and use. And we also have the other type that comes in sheets. They are all plain. What you do is you buy, get your own templates and use it to cut them. For me, it's faster and easier to work on an already made sole. Yes, and if you're buying the plain one, it means you have to create the template. At the same time, you have to still create a top heel. Now quickly to top heel. Now most times people ask me, what do I use as top heel? A lot of material can actually be used as top heel, but today I will suggest to you to try a vulcanized rubber, which is called tire in Nigeria. It's all of those car tires. There are some waste from it that we use for our top heel here in Nigeria. And you can also use a veg tan. It's called leathered sole in Nigeria. They sell that one in pairs, in sheets. So it's something you can buy in pair and cut out your top heel and use. Now when it comes to materials, the sole that are sold in sheets, we have crepe, we have Nora, which is also the PVC, we have EVA foam, which is called Marco. They are so you buy them in sheet. So I want you to know that all those ones, one of the advantages is that you can create any shape. You can create a square shape, you can create a pointed shape. Those are the advantages. And when you are creating heel, you will be able to use them also to create your outer sole. So I want to believe that you have enjoyed today's talk. Before I leave, somebody once asked me, what is the globally accepted sole? For me, I will say there is none. What you're working on will determine what you will use as your sole. I believe you have enjoyed today's talk, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.